Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change or edit handwritten text in Photoshop. Okay. First of all, change the text. Edit the text. Go to selection tool, quick selections or magic selection. I recommend this recommended magic selection tool. Click the color. Okay. Then Control J for duplicate layer. Hide first layer. Click second layer. Hold Control. Right click mouse. Control D. Finish. Okay. Again show the layer. Control T. Click the icon. Now edit this text. See this menu style. Okay. And change the text. Apply the same process. Control J. Hold Control. Right click mouse. Fill. Control D. Delete. Color. This color. D. Right click mouse. Convert to smart object. Control T. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.